This video examines the teaching of phonology to children. This is your presenter, Professor Kibet. As a matter of introduction, I would wish to say that teaching phonology to children is an essential part of developing their language skills, as it helps them understand the sounds of their language and how these sounds combine to form words. Phonology lays the foundation for reading, writing, and effective communication. Remember that children develop phonological skills at their own pace, so it's essential to be patient and provide a supportive learning environment. Tailor your teaching methods to the child's age, abilities, and learning styles, as well as make learning fun and an engaging experience. In the following section, I want us to look at the tips and the strategies that we can apply to teach phonology to our young children. 1. Start early. Phonological awareness can begin as early as infancy. Even before children can speak, they can listen to the sounds of language. Reading to them regularly is an excellent way to expose them to different sounds and rhythms of speech. Rhyming games. Engage children in rhyming games and activities. Rhyming helps them recognize and manipulate sounds within words. You can play games like Rhyme Time, where they find words that rhyme with a given word. Number 3, phonemic awareness. Phonemic awareness involves recognizing individual sounds, phonemes within words. You can help children by having them identify the first sounds in a word. For example, what sound do you hear at the beginning of cat? And gradually, you can progress to identifying ending and middle sounds. Number 4, sound sorting. Create activities where children can sort objects or pictures based on their initial words. For example, provide a variety of pictures and ask them to sort them into piles of things that start with the same sound. 5. Letter sound correspondence. Teach children the association between letters and sounds. Start with the most common letter-sound relationships and gradually introduce more. For example, teach them that B makes the sound B and C makes the sound K, K and S, and so on. Number 6, phonemes instructions. Once children have a basic understanding of letter-sound relationship, you can introduce phonemes instructions. This involves teaching them how to decode words by blending letters sound together. Number 7, use games and activities. Keep learning fun. Keep learning fun by incorporating games and activities such as bingo, word searches, and crossword puzzles that reinforce phonological skills. Number 8, read loud. Continue to read aloud to children and encourage them to read independently as they become more proficient. Reading exposes them to a wide range of vocabulary and helps them apply their phonological knowledge. Number 9, practice, practice, practice. Consistent practice is key to developing phonological skills. Encourage children to practice reading and sounding out words regularly. Gradually increase the complexity of the words they read. And number 10, individualized instruction. Individualized instruction. Recognize that children progress at different rates. Provide individualized instructions based on their abilities and needs. Some children may need more time and support to grasp phonological concepts. And number 11, multisensory approach. Multisensory approach. Incorporate a multisensory approach by using visual aids, tactile materials, and auditory exercises to reinforce phonological concepts. And finally, patience and encouragement. Be patient and encouraging. Learning phonology can be challenging, so provide positive reinforcement and praise for their efforts. So this marks the end of my presentation today, where we have examined the teaching of phonology to children. Thank you.